The first topic in the subject electrical machines is three-phase circuits. This you have studied already in first year in the subject BEEE, but then as it is included in the syllabus, I am reminding you a little bit. Three-phase generation you have studied. This is one generator placed in a magnetic field. It will generate a sine wave. This is known as one phase generation, single phase generation, single sine wave. Now three phase circuit, three sine waves, three phases, three generators are required. This is one generator, it generates one sine wave. We will place three generators, three sine waves. First generator, second generator, 120 degree lagging to first. Third, 120 degree lagging to second. So three generators are placed in magnetic field. First generator, 120 degree lagging, second generator, 120 degree to second or 240 degree to first, third generator. So total 360 degrees in a circle of 360 degrees. Three generators are placed 120 degrees apart from each other. This is first one, 120 degree, second one, 120 degree to second or 240 degree to first is third. Is that clear? So first generator known as red phase generator, second generator is known as Y phase generator, and third generator is known as blue phase generator. RYB phase sequence, three phase. So first generator known as R phase, second Y, third blue. All the generators are placed 120 degrees apart from each other. And as you know how one phase sine wave is generated, in the same way three generators will generate three sine waves. This is first sine wave of this generator, first generator. VR 20 degree lagging to first. That means sine wave of second generator will start after 120 degree of first. This is 0, this is pi, this is 2 pi. So this is pi by 2. 0, 180 degree, 240, 2 pi means 360 degree, right? So this peak value is pi by 2, 90 degree. So first generator starts from 0, right? VR, voltage of first generator starts from 0. Voltage of second generator will start 120 degree after first generator. This is 90. This is 90 degree. Second sine wave will start from 120 degree. After 120 degree of first. This is 90. Suppose this is 120. 0, 90, 180. Suppose this is 120. This is voltage of second generator. What? right? So third will generate the potential 120 degree after second. Second generate 120 degree after first. Third will generate 120 degree after second. So this is 90 of second. 0, 180, 360. So suppose this is 120 of second waveform. Right? So first sine wave will be generated by this generator. The potential is denoted as voltage of red phase. Second will generate the same potential but 120 degree after first. So this is 90 degree of first, suppose, and this is 180. This is 90, this is 180. Suppose this is 120. So after 120 degree of first, second sine wave starts. So potential of second phase is denoted as Vy and third is blue Vb. So third starts 120 degree after second. This is 90 degree of second. After 120 degree, third sine wave. So Vr is the sine wave generated by this. Vy is the sine wave generated by this 120 degree after this. Vb is the sine wave generated by this 120 degree after Vy. That is known as three-phase generation. It is known as three-phase generation. Is that clear? So suppose first reference phase is Vr. Equation of sine wave you have studied in first year. Vm sine omega. Right? Second Vy. 120 degree lagging to Vr. So Vm sine omega t minus 120. And what will be equation of third? Vb. Third is lagging first. Second is lagging first by 120 degree. Third is lagging first by 240 degree. So it is Vm Is that clear? So equation of first sine wave is, that is reference sine wave, Vm sin omega t. This we have studied in first year. What is the equation of a sine wave? Vm sin omega t. Second sine wave starts after 120 degree of first. So it is lagging first by 120 degree. So it is omega t minus 120 degree. Third is lagging first. Third is lagging second by 120. But third is lagging first by 240 degree. So it is Vm sin omega t minus 240 degree. Right? So that is known as three-phase EMF. R, Y, B. Three phases. Red, yellow, blue. Right? So in previous question paper, the question was asked, what is phase sequence of a three-phase system? Phase sequence of three-phase system means how the phases are arranged in a three-phase system. So what is the answer to this question? The sequence of three-phase is R, Y, B. The reference phase is red. 120 degree lagging to red is Y. 240 degree lagging to red is B. Or B is lagging Y by 120 degree. Reference after 120 degree this, after 120 degree this, but this is 240 degree lagging to red. It is lagging Y by 120 degree, but it is lagging red by 240 degree. So phase sequence, what is the phase sequence of three-phase system? The three phases are generated such that R is the reference phase, yellow lags red phase by 120 degree, blue lags red phase by 240 degree. So the phase sequence is known as RYB. Right? So VR is equal to Vm sin omega t, reference wave. So I am writing it as Vm angle 0 degree. Vy Vm sin omega t minus 120 degree. So I am writing it as Vm angle minus 120 degree. And Vb is Vm sin omega t minus 240 degree. So it is Vm angle minus 240 degree. Right? So I have taken Vm common. This is one angle 0 degree. This is one angle minus 120 degree. This is one angle minus 240 degree. Now if these quantities are converted into rectangular, these are polar quantities, one angle 0, one angle minus 120, one angle minus 240. Conversion of polar into rectangular, you have studied this in first year. So you can check Vm as it is, one angle 0 degree in rectangular is 1 plus j0, one angle minus 120 degree in rectangular is minus 0.5 plus j 0.866, and one angle minus 240 in rectangular is minus 0.5 minus j 0.866. Right? So now I am adding all the three phase EMFs. One important parameter you have to note in three phase circuit chapter, all the quantities what I am mentioning, all these quantities are vector quantities. All these quantities are vector quantities. Right? So I am now adding them, vector addition, VR plus Vy plus Vb, VR plus Vy plus Vb, addition of these three. You can see Vm common in 3. 1 minus 0.5 plus J0 plus J 0.866 minus J 0.866. 0.5 minus 1 0, J0, this 0. So vector addition of three phase EMF is always 0. Vector addition of three phase EMF is always 0. So in the exam you are asked the question, what is phase sequence in three phase EMF? Explain. So you have to explain the phase sequence, that the phases are arranged such that R is the reference phase, 120 degree lagging to R is the Y phase, and 240 degree lagging to R is the blue phase. RYB is known as the proper phase sequence. If it is RBY, then it is reverse phase sequence. Then we will write R is the reference waveform. So R, potential of R phase is VR equal to Vm sin omega t. Previously I have written. So Vm angle 0 degree. Vy is Vm sin omega t minus 120 degree. So Vm angle minus 120 degree. And Vb is Vm minus 240 degree. These polar forms are converted into rectangular forms, and then their vector addition. And lastly here we will write the vector addition of three phase EMF is always 0. Of three phase EMF. This is symbol to indicate phase. Three phase EMF is always 0. This much you have to explain. Right? So this is about three phase generation, phase sequence, and vector addition of the phase sequence voltages. Now method of connection of a three phase system. This also we have studied in first year. Method of connection of a three phase system. There are two methods: star connection and delta connection. Star connection and delta connection. Star, first phase, second phase, third phase. R, Y, B. Three phases. This is central, neutral. Connected in star, delta, delta just structure like a triangle, and this is structure like star. Now in first year we have studied these two are known as lines. This point to this point, this is known as phase. This point to this point, this is known as phase. And this point to this point, this is known as phase. This phase is connected between red and neutral. This phase is connected between Y and neutral. This phase is connected between blue and neutral. So, this voltage is known as VR, voltage of red phase voltage. Similarly, Vy and Vb, all the three are known as phase voltages. But this voltage between red and yellow line, V R Y. All are vector quantities, VR minus Vy. Ry, so VR minus Vy. Vyb, Vy minus Vb. And VBR, Vb minus Vi. Voltage between two lines, voltage across a phase. See, this is not equal to this. Vry is line voltage. It is not equal to phase voltage. So here we have to derive what is the relation between this line voltage and phase voltage. They are different. Now this is the current flowing through red phase, and the same current is entering the red line. This is flowing through phase like this and going to this line. So current that is passing through phase is entering the line. Both are same. Line current and phase current are same, but line voltage and phase voltage are not same. So we have to derive relation between these two. What is the relation between line voltage and phase voltage? Here you can see. So phase voltage is not equal to line voltage. We have to derive the relation between these two. But phase current is going through the line. They are same. Here, this phase is connected between these two lines. So voltage across this phase is also voltage across line. This phase voltage is equal to this line voltage. So here VL is equal to VPH. Here IL is equal to IPH. Here VL is equal to VPH. Now this is the current. IR, and this is the current. IB. So at this point, IR is entering, IB is leaving. So this current will be IRB. IRB. This is VRY, that is, this is voltage, that is current. IR entering minus leaving. Entering minus leaving. So IRB is the line current. It is vector difference of IR and IB. So line current, this is line current, these two are phase currents. Line current is not equal to phase current. So here we have to derive the relation between line current and phase current. Here we have to derive the relation between line voltage and phase voltage. So there are two methods of connection of three-phase system. The three-phase system can be connected in star or delta. This is star connection, this is delta connection. In star, phase current and line current are same. In delta, phase voltage and line voltage is same. In star, phase voltage is not equal to line voltage. In delta, phase current is not equal to line current. So here we have to draw the relation between line voltage and phase voltage. Here we have to draw the relation between line current and phase current. And then we will have the numericals of that. Okay. This will be covered in next stage. Okay. Thank you.